Kayal by Mason Ashrar. Ito ang bibigyan natin ng first impression sa video ito. Alright, so si Mason Ashrar Kayal nabili natin recently sa marketplace and the price is less than 1,500 pesos. Now, in terms of the presentation, grabe, ang ganda ng kanyang box. Hindi mo akalain na this is just less than 1,500 pesos. Alright, so all throughout blue siya, and then sa ibabaw meron siyang silver na may branding ng Mason Ashrar. Sa ilalim may barcode. Okay? Now, may window dito. Kita nyo kaagad yung perfume sa loob. Tapos, ang ganda ng kanyang design na kabayo. Alright? Now, bakit nga ba natin siya binili? Kasi nga, sabi ng mga feedback sa online, this is a dupe of Creed Aventus Absolute, which goes for around $400 to $500. Okay? So, since di pa natin siya naamoy, gusto natin subukan yung dupe niya. Alright, so I've checked on Fragrantica kung ano yung kanyang mga main accords, and nasabi main accords niya would be fresh spicy, citrus, white floral, lavender, woody, green, aromatic, musky, and fruity. Alright, and then top notes would be pink grapefruit, bergamot, pink pepper apple, and then kanyang heart notes would be ginger, lily of the valley, lavender. Alright, and ang kanyang base naman ay Orlanov and Kashmira. Alright, so not familiar with some of those notes, but let's go ahead and check on the presentation in terms of the bottle. Okay, so kanyang bottle napakaganda. Alright, again, for 1,500 pesos, the presentation is really, really nice. Okay, mostly glass yung sa ilalim, and then sa ibabaw, yung kanyang cap is metal. Grabe, bigat. Sorry, hindi siya ganun kabigat, pero you'd feel the quality. Bakal siya, and it's a horse na chrome and silver in color, tas may blue siya lining ultra. Now, the bottle itself, may gradient siya from the bottom, medyo clear, up until dark blue sa ibabaw. And then, yung ating atomizer, silver or chrome. Alright? So, let's do 2 sprays on our red twist. Okay, ganda ng kanyang spray. Ganda ng buga. Okay. Alright. Pink pepper, bergamot, and pink grapefruit. Yun yung naamoy mo kagad. Opening niya. Yun yung naamoy mo kagad. And then, sumusunod yung kanyang pagka-woodsy. Alright? Parang si Creed Aventus na woodsy. Pero ang main opening nito is yung pink grapefruit at saka nga yung pink pepper. Okay? Ganda ng combination. It's very almost the same as Creed Aventus, ang sasabihin natin na DNA. Alright? Which parang naamoy mo yung pagka-pineapple niya. Though, as per the notes, wala naman siyang pineapple. So, I think this is mostly the apple and the yung kanyang ginger and Orlanov, yung woodsy na scent na amoy ko sa kanya ngayon. Actually, opening wise, mas gusto ko siya kaysa sa mga DNA ni Creed Aventus. Okay? Very classy and high level yung kanyang mga notes na amoy mo. Parang rich man vibes, milyonaryo na naglalakad na sa office, yung may-ari ng business, CEO, parang ganon. Ganon yung naamoy ko sa kanya. Grabe. Ganda ng kanyang opening and a few seconds of dry down. Ganda ng kanyang overall scent. Okay. Now, syempre, hindi pa natin alam kung gaano to mag-perform. So, I'll be using this in the next couple of days and I'll let you know kung gaano siya kaganda in terms of performance. Okay. In longevity and as well as projection and silage. Alright? So, yan na muna ating video for tonight. If you have any questions or anything that you'd like for me to review in terms of this perfume, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!